Hi, so I have three brands and their January to December sales figures are here. And I have calculated the sum over here and I have the sum over here for each brand separately. Now, if I want to show this in millions, let me show you how we can do it. For that, I need to select the cells, right click on Format Cells, then go to Custom. Under the Custom tab, you will type hash, comma, hash 0, comma, space in inverted M, and then close the inverted comma and then click OK. You can see it hasn't converted to million. If I want to see the fractions, right click on formatting, go to customs, and then here after the 0 you will add dot. If you want to see one decimal, you will add 10. If you want to see two decimals, then you will add two zeros and then click OK. Now you can see the total has been converted into a million format. Now if you want to apply the same format, I can use the format painter and then apply in the remaining as well. I hope this video is helpful.